My name is Valerie Yost. I am the Director of Marketing for Brooks Resources, which is a real estate development company in Bend, Oregon. We've been developing neighborhoods and communities throughout Central Oregon for over 50 years. I've been a fan of the tiny house concept for several years, and I'm so excited to actually have the opportunity to be involved with a tiny home build. We're developing a new neighborhood called Discovery West here in Bend, and we needed a temporary sales office. I did some research, and Tiny Heirloom popped up on our radar, and we started talking with Jeremy and really liked his philosophy and his custom build solutions for commercial projects. So we got to talking, and this is the result. We're super pleased with it, and I'm really excited to be in here and using it. Discovery West is located on the west side of Bend. It's going to be a premier neighborhood in Central Oregon. We are working with a variety of builders to provide a lot of architectural diversity and a lot of just beautiful streetscapes and homes. We have used this term discovery quite literally. All of our branding kind of has that discovery lens around it, finding kind of the little joys of discovery throughout the neighborhood. And in fact, all of our streets are named after women in history who have made significant discoveries through medicine or technology or space or you name it. And so that's just one way that we're kind of honoring the idea and the concept behind discovery. And we named this the Discovery Pod as kind of the starting point for people looking to start their journey at Discovery West, and we're really excited.